Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your remote work setup with Asana, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, assess your current remote work setup. Identify the tools you already use and their effectiveness. Make a list of tasks and projects you typically handle. Sign up for an Asana account if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new workspace or project. Choose between a list or board view based on your preference. Set up sections or columns to categorize your projects. Add tasks under each section to represent individual work items. For each task, include detailed descriptions to clarify requirements. Assign due dates for each task to ensure timely completions. Invite team members to collaborate by adding them to your project. Use the comments section within each task to centralize communication. Prioritize tasks by using tags or custom fields to indicate urgency. Set up recurring tasks for ongoing responsibilities to streamline your workflow. Leverage the calendar view to visualize deadlines and project timelines. Integrate Asana with other tools you use, such as Slack or Google Drive. Regularly review and adjust your projects to stay aligned with team goals. Utilize Asana's reporting options to track progress and productivity. Create templates for repetitive tasks to save time in the future. Consider setting aside dedicated time each week to update your Asana projects. Foster a culture of accountability by encouraging team check-ins. As your remote work setup evolves, continue to customize Asana to fit your needs. Remember, a well-organized setup can enhance collaboration and focus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.